Oh, oh, washing machine of time, praise unwind. Oh, life's design. Oh, see the racks, see the streets, every choice I find. Life like a garment stitched with heart and mind. Detergent too strong, dryer running high. Some don't see the damage as the days go by. Washing machine of time, threads unwind. Beauty fades, but lessons shine. Every stitch, every mark, every line gives the quiet wisdom of life. Oh, washing machine of time, threads unwind. Childhood dreams left to fade. Hasty choices that we made. Oh, brands roll out the next design. Yet every fiber remembers the care divine. But the return must be to the intent of the designer. Now God make your garments, you are His design. Yeah, He knows the wear and tear, He makes it whole again. Loose buttons, stains, loose stitches, all washed in the blood of Jesus. Fresh for the world to see, to glorify your Father in heaven.
What can wash away my sin? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Washing machine of time, threads unwind. Beauty fades, but lessons shine.
Every stitch, every mark, every line gives the quiet wisdom of life. Oh, washing machine of time, yeah. Threads unwind. Washing machine of time, threads unwind. Beauty fades, but lessons shine. Every stitch, every mark, every line gives the quiet wisdom of life. Oh, washing machine of time, yeah. Threads unwind, yeah. Oh, as garments age, as time moves on, impermanence carries His quiet song. Fresh in His hands, ready to shine, glorifying the Father, His design divine.